Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Openwork Partnership Review My Usage Experience. Openwork Partnership Review My Usage Experience offers independent reviews and ratings of financial advisory firms within the Openwork Partnership network. Its main purpose is to help consumers research and compare financial advisors before making a crucial decision about their financial future. The target audience is individuals seeking financial advice and looking for a reliable source of information on advisor performance and client feedback. Key features likely include advisor profiles, ratings, and possibly client reviews. Their website provides details on how to access these reviews. Openwork Partnership's website provides detailed information on the methodology behind their ratings and reviews. They emphasize transparency and aim to provide an objective comparison between different financial advisors. Ease of use appears to be a priority, focusing on a clear and straightforward presentation of information. While I don't have specific information on pricing, I assume the service itself is free to users, as it aims to promote transparency and consumer choice within the Openwork network. Availability is limited to advisors within the Openwork Partnership network, so you'll need to check if your desired advisor is included on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Openwork Partnership Review My Usage Experience. I was looking for a financial advisor and wanted to do my research before committing to anyone. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply navigated to their website and used their search function to find advisors in my local area. The interface was clean and intuitive. I found it very simple to filter results based on specializations and client ratings. I was particularly impressed by the detailed profiles of each advisor, which included their qualifications, experience, and client testimonials. I spent a couple of hours reviewing profiles and reading comments, and the information was consistently helpful and insightful. The quality of the information presented was excellent. It felt thorough and unbiased. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to access the information through a desktop or laptop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Openwork Partnership Review. It helped me significantly narrow down my options and made the process of choosing a financial advisor much less daunting. The clear presentation and detailed reviews gave me the confidence to make an informed decision. That's my overview of Openwork Partnership Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.